Okay, in this video, I'm just going to demonstrate some unexpected behavior with some React components in a SPFx web part. So this is my SharePoint Framework web part, and I'm using the Fabric React Pivot component up here and image down here. And the expected behavior would be as if I go into the property pane and I switch from links to tabs. You can see that the tabs change. I don't need to do a refresh. Same with normal to large text. And again, that's a React component. This is also a React image component. And when I change the size, I would expect that it would show it bigger. So for example, I'm just going to make it obvious and make it 300 by say 2 tiles wide, and then I'll totally change this stuff to some other ones and refresh. And it works on refresh. So you can see the settings that, the tiles are really big and everything works except for the fact that I had to hit the refresh button. So it's just more of an understanding. I'll show the code. So starting with the property pane, I guess, where the debugger is coming in. This is the on property field changes. And I have a bunch of these properties, and basically they're all, I'm just pulling out individual ones that I want to do a refresh on, and I'm changing the property in the properties to the new value, and I'm doing a refresh. And then again, these are for all the same properties that you saw on the screen, and then I'm re-rendering it. And that is the web part properties. It is in reactive mode, so as I said, should just automatically do it. This is the web part properties pane. So the ones where it actually works is this group here, these pivot settings. So I'm setting the size, setting the format, and I'm basically, I just have a drop down. Nothing special about that. Those work, these don't, and it's the exact same code, just affecting a different React component. As far as the components themselves, this is the one that has the pivots in there. And we scroll down to my error messages and we go in here. So this is where it's getting the pivot titles, and then this is going and getting this tile build is basically going and getting all the filtered tiles and mapping them into this pivot item class. And that is also a React class. So if we go here to pivot tile item.tsx, that is this. And we scroll down through all that stuff, and it's just your normal React class for rendering. So the question is, why does it only kind of redraw the screen on pivot items, but not on the images? And that's it.